Good morning. We are in Elkhart, Indiana. Where else would you rather be? RV center of the world. This is awesome being here, and today we're going to take a tour of the Grand Design 410TH. Come on.
Now let's get into some of the advertised specs. The garage length is listed at 13 feet 6 inches. The UVW 16,800 pounds approximately. Hitch weight 3,600 pounds approximately. GVWR 20,000 pounds approximately. An overall length of 46 feet 8 inches. A total height of 13 feet 6 inches. Freshwater capacity 128 gallons, gray water capacity 156 gallons, wastewater capacity 52 gallons, and all this comes with an MSRP of $145,718. Now let's catch up with Deena and check out the inside of the Momentum 410TH.
This is so exciting. Maybe getting a new RV. Danny says no. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Look at this. This is crazy.
Yeah, this is nice.
This is so big. Honey, can you see me from over there? Wow, this is really big. I can't.
You might need walkie-talkies in here.
This is crazy. Wow, I knew it was going to be, of course, bigger than what ours is, but okay, we're going to start off in the master bedroom. Let's go this way. Up the stairs, down the, oh, there's no hall. You walk right through the bathroom, but come on. Oh, this is even very roomy. Wow.
Yeah, this looks bigger, more space than, yeah, I think it's actually, must be a little bit.
It's
oh, the
wider?
slide out. The slide out is a little bit longer than our slide out. That's where they're getting the extra space.
Is that it? Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yep.
And this would be a king size bed.
Yep.
This is as big as it gets. Okay. So here you have closet. That's nice, honey. That's more than what you have right now.
The more than you allow me.
Your side. Hey. And drawers down here. Nice. Nice deep drawers too. Nice. Okay. This still slides. Okay, this is where your washer and dryer would go if you choose, which we would. But man, talk about storage. Holy smokes. If you didn't have a washer and dryer, wow.
Yeah, that's a lot of room.
That's a whole lot of room. And then over here, the same size closet. This is more than what my side even, this is, I think, together even bigger than what we have.
That's going to keep you from encroaching on my side.
Maybe, if you're lucky. I get the drawers though. And then you have two more drawers down here. Ooh. Nice.
Nice.
And then,
I'm sure the bed probably has storage.
oh yeah, I'm sure the bed lifts up. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I think if the storage is the same size, no matter you get king or queen bed.
Yeah, we actually have more storage than that.
We actually have more space because, well, we took this out. I didn't want the shoe rack. And this is all the way in, this is flush with this. We have all this.
Yeah, so we actually have more storage in there.
Okay, something's different though that makes this look bigger.
No headboard.
No headboard. No, they took the wall and did the design of a headboard on the wall, I guess.
Yep.
I like that though. That's nice. Look at this dresser. This is the same, but this is what we have, but this lifts up. That's nice, but I would never use this.
Yeah, you'd be taking stuff off every time you wanted to.
It would drive me crazy.
Yep. Unless
you put stuff in there that you only need periodically. Same size drawers, 3 on each side. That's great. Awesome. TV. Wow, look at this.
More storage.
Wow. And 3 of these, 3 more. Nice. Very nice. You do lose your cubby here that we have in our 397 THR. But more wall space for decorating, which is always a plus. Okay, so here This is, I don't think this is a medicine cabinet, no. So you get the cabinet below the sink, one sink, and then, okay, you get 4 drawers.
That's nice.
Huh?
That's nice.
Yeah, I like that. Oh, wow. Look here. You have all that.
Well, those are deep.
They're
too.
very deep. And I love the hanging towel rack. Love that. And honey, you get your own private.
Throne.
That is your room.
That's my second office.
That's where you will always be. Nice. And it's got a fan. Seeing how clean that is makes me, how new that is, makes me realize how dirty ours is. Shouldn't say that on camera, but it's true. They get so dirty and we're not really sure yet how to clean them. If anybody has any tips, please let us know. Okay, the shower is the same size, the same depth. You still get the
Bench
the
seat,
teak
I guess.
seat or whatever, bench seat, as ours, the $397. This is exactly the same, and these are the same. You still have your built-in shelves, which is nice, and your skylight. Okay, and this is a pocket door. I like the pocket door too. If there's any babies that you want to put back there to take a nap or anything like that, you can close the door. I like that. You like that, honey?
Yeah,
Okay,
it's nice.
so we have the same blackout shades. Something that they have done is taken these down a notch. I love it. They're not as bulky, and I like that they're just black. The covers over the shades, what do you call it? The window treatments, I guess. Yeah, I like that they're more. I do love the gray, and I love the color of the wood. And of course this couch it's nice. We like our little sofa. Same gadgets. The lighting, massaging, and the massage. Okay, same table with the leaf that folds in and out. How does this work then? Oh yeah, there. I like the lighter color. For seats, does this not come with benches, I wonder?
Yeah, I think the benches weren't. I think they probably stole them in the back.
Oh,
you know.
okay.
Yeah, remember this isn't
Oh,
set
that's
up.
right. Yeah,
You know,
yeah.
still an RV lot. So.
Yeah, it's an RV lot. I like the change in the lights. That's nice. Here's your pantry. Ooh, not as deep. Not as deep of a pantry. Like,
Yeah, that's like half,
yeah,
maybe 6 inches.
maybe. Yeah, it's like to my wrist.
Yeah.
And then I can't reach that.
You're all good.
No different. Yeah, that's not as big either.
Yeah, we had probably twice that space.
Yeah.
It's a nice size
Storage,
compartment,
yeah.
but it's just not deep.
Yeah, it's not- but this is longer than our pantry. So this is longer, but it's not near as deep. And they still have the light. I like the light. Oh, the power's turned
Yeah,
off,
we don't have any
obviously.
power here.
So, okay, this is a lot of people call it the coffee bar. Right here. Sorry, I was opening the cabinet. The coffee bar right here. This is nice. I could get used to that. Wow. Okay, I don't think that wants to open all the way. We'll leave it be. That's more pantry space.
Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so then up here, that's nice. And then you also have these, which that's nice to have. Look at that. That's great space. And
So
then-
Deena, where's the TV at?
I can't lift that. That's more storage up there. The TV is right here.
Oh, I didn't think you
I
knew.
don't know if I don't, I'm sure I could get used to it. I don't know if I would love it though. What do you think?
The problem I see is you'd want to use that for counter space.
Yeah.
And if you wanted to watch TV, you're pulling stuff off the counter to watch TV.
Right.
So, nice big fireplace though.
Nice big fireplace. The island is the same, it looks like. The sink is the same. Yeah, this is, so they did add a drawer down here. That is nice. I would love to have a drawer down there. That's nice to have, for sure. But otherwise, it's the same amount of room in there. And then you have the same 3 drawers here. Nice. Nice 4-burner gas range. And the residential mic. Can you see that? Mm-hmm. Okay. I don't know if you caught it, but that's more storage up there. Okay, here's the refrigerator, freezer. Not sure how I feel about our refrigerator. The double doors for the fridge is up here, and the freezer is just a 1-drawer pull below. I mean, I could get used to it. I'm not sure I like the double doors on the freezer, but probably not that big of a deal. Just a matter of getting used to it. Nice fridge. Very spacious. Does that look like it's more room than ours?
Looks like it could be a little bit wider.
Yeah,
maybe.
that's what I was thinking.
I think it might be. Okay.
Cool. Okay. Loft. Also known as storage space. And we'll go back into the garage. Oh, this one doesn't have a bathroom at all. Okay, so here's the garage. There's no bathroom back here, but I do believe you could put one if you wanted one, right, Danny?
I thought they came with a half bath.
Yeah.
Maybe, I know it's a newer model, so maybe they're still experimenting a little bit with...
I think a half bath would be good back here.
Yeah.
Otherwise, if you didn't need an extra bathroom at all, this is nice space. Nice working space, or whichever you would like. They still have the same storage shelves up here.
Here, I'll get around behind you.
Same storage shelves on either side, and the TV.
Oh, they added a backup camera mount.
Oh, the backup
here.
camera mount, yep. And then look, they put a window here.
Yeah, this is nice.
This is nice.
And
of course, you have your Happy Jack system.
And you have the glass doors, which is really nice too.
Yeah.
The patio doors.
Yeah.
So, I think this garage is bigger than ours. I'm guessing.
I was going to say it looks smaller.
I think it's longer because we have the bathroom too. I'm guessing this is probably a 14-foot garage. I don't know for sure, but it's nice. It's nice.
I think it looks smaller or about the same. I'm not sure. He may be right, but I might be right. Of course, you have your back door, which is great. This is now glass. They did a glass door. What was it that they did? Oh no, the wood casing around the glass.
There you go. It's an optional half bath.
Oh, okay. There you go.
So there's your answer.
Looking right at it and not even clicking. Okay. So, what do you think, guys? I love it. I really do. There are a couple things I'm not sure about for us personally, whether I would like it or I should say love it to have. But I mean, it's a great RV. You can't argue that. And the space is unbelievable. That's what gets me. Rodeo could run circles in here, literally, like all day. She would be so happy. Thanks for joining us. We hope that you enjoyed our tour. Let us know if you have any questions, and we'll try to help answer as much as we can anyway. We're still learning about some of these. It's kind of really exciting shopping for RV. are touring the RVs, and we're not shopping at all. Just to see the new changes, the new additions and stuff. We hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.